Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stanovic along with Carol Masser. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move
I love
today.
how you do that.
Thank you.
So in command.
I get to practice every day.
You do indeed.
We're joined by Bloomberg News cross-asset reporter Isabel Lee. Isabel, a lot moving in the after hours.
A lot, but there were a lot of options, which is what makes this job also fun, because sometimes, when you're struggling, you're like, what in the world will Carol and Tim want me to talk about? But now it's great. So we can talk about Tesla first. Shares are down 2% in extended trading. So the company posted third quarter profit that fell short of expectations. This is despite record EV sales. So, again, this underlines the pressure that automakers like Tesla are facing with rising costs and just a lot of shifting policies from this administration. So adjusted earnings were 50 cents a share. Analysts expected 54 cents on average. Revenue, though, outpaced expectations, $28 billion. So Tesla sees the results hinging on the broader economic environment. So it's really looking a little shaky for them, but who knows? They're ramping up production for key products, so maybe there's that.
I mean, I think everybody's just trying to figure out, what is the business going forward? Ticker, of course, TSLA. We talk about it so much, but yeah, it's an interesting one, right?
Very interesting. But I feel like, and this is my not expert thought, but Elon Musk, the CEO, has kind of slipped away from the politics, from those kind of headlines. So there is that. At least for our story in Bloomberg, we didn't read any mention of that at all.
You know what's on his mind?
What?
That $1 trillion pay package.
I thought you were going to say humanoid robots and robotaxis.
No.
That will be on my mind too.
No, and getting the board, and everybody to sign, to sign off on it, or the shareholders to sign off on it.
So type in Rich Go on the Bloomberg terminal.
Oh my God, I love that function.
Elon Musk, he's the
This is like being
wealthiest
in class.
person in the world.
Rich Go.
$455 billion is his net worth according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. If you have that much money already.
Do you need more?
Well, I don't know. Does it change your life to have $1 trillion pay package?
I don't know. I always wonder that, but nonetheless, they want it, right?
But maybe it is. Maybe it's about. But as Ed has told us, it's about control of the company.
That too.
That's important.
I guess everything is relative.
Well, and Ed said too that the board, they want to make sure he stays.
Yes.
This is about
key man
retention,
risk.
right?
Key man risk.
Definitely.
Risk. Okay. IBM
shares are also down by more than 4% in post-market. The company reported disappointing revenue in Red Hat. So this is a closely watched unit. And of course, it sparked concerns among investors who see that the software business is among the key to the company's growth. So sales in the hybrid cloud unit, which includes Red Hat, increased 14%, which is a slowdown from the previous quarter and below estimates of 16%. The CFO, Jim Kavanaugh, still said they feel very good about the growth opportunities. And as context, CEO Arvind Krishna has pushed for software to become IBM's largest business, especially as their consulting unit is kind of shaky. So stock is down now, but the stock has gained 31% this year through the close. So it's not that bad for IBM. I mean, they're doing well, but we'll see tomorrow in the open.
They spent $34 billion for Red Hat.
That is
in
a lot.
2019, $190 a share.
I remember that. That was a big deal.
I remember when.
Wasn't even that long ago.
Not so long ago.
No.
Yeah.
Pre-pandemic, though.
Just 6 years ago.
Yeah, that feels like a long time ago, pre-pandemic. What's your third name for us?
Third name is Southwest, ticker LUV. So stock is rising more than 5% in post-market trading. They posted a surprise adjusted profit. So at least we're ending on a good note. So the good news was boosted by fees from its new policy of charging passenger for bags. Maybe it's not good news for us. And expected record operating sales in the fourth quarter. So the company earned 11 cents per share versus an estimated loss of 3 cents. I always just find it fun when the estimation is a loss and then you post a gain. So the stock is up fractionally for the year through Wednesday close, but tomorrow it will probably see a pop. And just for context, Southwest is in the middle of rolling out an extensive makeover plan that breaks from a one-size-fits-all business model that sets it apart from rivals. And other carriers have said leisure travel has been bouncing back. I was just in Mexico 2 weeks ago. It was nice. I can't imagine that after 4.5 hours, you're in a new country.
Know.
So leisure travel is
We're
back.
in Mexico.
Just the Mexico City, but it's still so
nice.
beautiful.
Yeah.
It's colorful in culture and in food, and the literal walls are also colorful.
We just talked with the founder and CEO of Montage Hotels International, and they are
High end.
building, and they're building in Mexico City.
a lot of the high-end hotels are there. And when you check, they're actually not cheap.
Yeah. No, the average,
kind of,
he basically looks for $1,000 a night to $1,200 is kind of the base.
Yeah, Elon Musk can afford that.
Elon can afford that.
He can buy the hotel if he wants.
Could buy the hotel.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.